LK Lifestyles Videos presents a paleo, grain-free, and gluten-free chicken noodle soup. That's right, with a few simple ingredients and an Instant Pot, you can have delicious soup in about 35 minutes. Most soups in the grocery store are loaded with chemicals and extra ingredients, but making soup can take all day, and who has time for that? I assure you that this Instant Pot soup is so easy that you will want to have it again and again. Here at LK Lifestyles, I offer short videos and easy solutions so that you can enjoy food again. Please subscribe to my channel for new paleo and grain-free cooking videos every week. In order to make this soup utterly amazing, I strongly urge you to try Korean glass noodles. The only ingredient in this amazing paleo pasta is sweet potato starch. Please look at the description below to find out what kind of noodles I use. But this soup is also amazing with zoodles or cauliflower rice, so give it a try. Here's what you will need to make chicken soup in your Instant Pot in just a few minutes. 32 ounces of chicken stock or broth, chopped onions, carrots, and celery, about 2 cups total, 2 cups of chopped cooked chicken, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of garlic and herb seasoning. I use McCormick's Perfect Pinch, 2 bay leaves, salt and pepper to taste, cooked sweet potato starch noodles, zucchini noodles, or cauliflower rice. Here's how you make your soup. Place the veggies, chicken stock, and seasonings in the Instant Pot. Close the lid and make sure the steam vent is off. Set the timer to manual high pressure for 4 minutes. Release the steam right away. Add the cooked chicken to the Instant Pot and replace the lid. Set the Instant Pot to steam function for 3 minutes. Release the steam and your soup is done. Add in the noodles or rice while the soup is hot and enjoy your new favorite comfort food. Feel confident that this dish is paleo, grain, and gluten-free. Please subscribe to LK Lifestyles for new paleo, gluten-free, and grain-free recipes weekly.